Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It's Angela, the traveling crafter, and we're going to do a little experimentation with some junk journal jewelry. And I had two different videos planned, and then I decided, I think I can combine these. So let me tell you what we're going to be working with. We will be working with some small beads. You're going to need some round beads like these. These are just like seed beads. These are gold. I've got gold, I've got silver, and I've got like a gunmetal. And then you're going to need some, I'm going to call them rectangle beads. My fingers are all, I've been doing lots of videos today. Some rectangle beads, oval beads, something that's long and skinny. And I've got those in the very same colors. What are we going to do? Well, you'll need some, if you're going to follow along, this is what I'm using. Now, what did I do with them? I put them away. I've already put on these are like itty bitty keychain things, but the jump rings, and these are earrings, and I have had these for quite a while, and I've got several things planned for these, but they're earrings. They're hoop earrings. How people get these in their ears, I will never know. But they essentially pull out like this, and you pop that right back in. Sounds easy, right? Except you don't want to do that, get that loop in there. And like I said, I've got some plans for other things, but we're going to utilize these. So if you don't have those and you just have a string, you can do this as well. Excuse me. You're going to need some jewelry supplies. I've got crimpers, and I've got my needle nose pliers. And I do have some charms, and then you're going to need some patience. And that's about it. So welcome to the channel. If you are new here, thanks for joining in. If you have been around for a while, thanks for stopping by. We're going to do some Morse code. That's right, friends, some Morse code. So I have these little cards, and you write the word on it, and then you make something. Now, my intent was, I've had these, gosh, I don't even know how long. I'm trying to think. I bought them for the kids and I to do. I feel like we were sick or something. I don't know. But we were going to make bracelets for their Nana and Papa out of Morse code. Well, we haven't got around to that. So I did a little experimenting, and we're going to make a few things for our junk journals using Morse code. This is our code. Now I need to put this somewhere where you guys can see it. Well, you really can't. Okay, you're just going to have to trust me. I'll put it right over here so I can see it. And this one says, and this is long, this one says, I should let you guess what this says. But it's a long one. And it says, the rules are there are no rules. So this is mine. I'm going to use it for something. I don't know what. Maybe I'll gift it to somebody. But we have that one. And then this one I did, says the traveling crafter, and I put a couple little charms, a little pair of glasses and a little pair of scissors. So if you're using these circles, I don't even know how long they are really. What does this not have inches on it? Let's see. 1.5 in the middle. So if you're using these, you kind of got to plan what your words are going to be, so that you don't run out of space. And I think what I chose to do for this one, we will be fine. I think we'll use the silver. Oops. We have a getaway bead. We'll use the silver right now, and I still have a whole bunch of these already made up. So here's what I'm going to challenge you with. If you've got some phrases, some words that you want me to put on these, put them in the comments, because I would love, I will put them together. But we'll probably only have time to do one today. So the first thing you're going to do is just pull apart your earring, and you do have some give. What I did is I kind of bent it this way when I was putting them on. So what you're going to do when you put them on is your words, just remember that when it's all said and done, I'm going to flip it over to this flat side. And that way I know the word will read from right to left. You could do it either way, but I have to tell myself somehow that I'm going to remember this, okay? But I'm going to put it on this way. And I'm going to write out cut the scrap. If you haven't seen in my store, in my shop, there is some cut the scrap t-shirts and zipper bags and stickers. So we're going to use that. And I think I'm just going to put this right here. Oh my goodness. I went upstairs. I had the office shut. And the C is a long dash, dash, dot, dash, dot. What colors are we going to do? Let's make it easy and do, let's do the silver dashes, and let's do the black or the gunmetal dots. There we go. That'll be easy. So C is a dash. Anyway, I went upstairs to put stuff away, and I left it open again. So now they're right above me in my office, barking like hyenas. Crazy. And I closed it specifically because I was going to do a video. Okay, so there's the C, and I hope this all fits on here. The U, we need dash, dash, dot. Have you ever done Morse code? Did you learn Morse code when you were in school? I did. Now, did I remember it? No. Dash, dash, dot, or dot, dot, dash. C-U. And T is just a dash. I love it when it's just one letter. So there's cut. And then, you know, you could separate each word by putting something else on here. Oh, I chipped my nail. If you wanted. We're not going to. So we need another T. So cut T, the. H is 4 dots. Oops, I'm losing them. 1. I shouldn't have pulled them all out at once. 2. I hope you guys are all doing fabuloso. I've been trying to get a bunch of videos done. I'm getting a little nervous because graduation is coming up. We're supposed to start setting up on the 30th, and I realized I'm supposed to have a live sale that day, so I'm not sure I'm going to be able to make that happen. I don't know. Let's see. E, and look at, oh, it's just 1 dot. That's easy. Cut. Okay, so we got cut and the. So this we might have a lot of room, quite a bit of room, that we could do something different. There's so many things. I haven't really thought this through of like, oh, there's this idea, this idea. Okay, we're going to scrap, and that's 3 dots. Dot, dot, dot. So I've been doing a bunch of videos, well, not a bunch, I think 3 videos today. I'm trying to get ahead. S, C, we need dash, dot, dash, dot. Pretty easy. This is a good TV craft and travel. Lost that one. Traveling craft. Well, I apologize. It's much easier when you do this with a little needle and, and a string like I did the first one. Dash, dot, dash, dot. I shouldn't be talking when I'm doing this. There we go. And I did, like, I figured out, this is how many I use for the rules are. There are no rules. And then I did it for this one, and I was like, well, it's totally, every word's going to be different. So, it will just depend on how much space it takes up And so this is R, and it is dot, dash dot. So just a fun little thing. This would be great to do with kids. Secret messages. A is just a dot and a dash. You could do your name. But I thought, well, these would make, and you could make them for earrings. I mean, if you have the earring stuff, go for it. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah, we only need P. Ooh, we're going to be close, you guys. It's dot, dash, dash, dot. I think we need to put it dot, dash, dash, dot. We're going to be so close. The problem is if you get too close to the edge of where it needs to hook in, it won't. So that's what our challenge will be. Now, what I did the last time, and I don't know if this is going to help whatsoever. I'm trying to get that hoop. Why is that hoop stuck on there? Come on now. Please. Oh, it's... What's happening here? There we go. Whew. Okay, now that's bent. Because I bent it. Is I put just a smidgy. Don't tell my dentist I would just use my teeth to open up that glue. And we're going to slide that back into where it's supposed to go, just so that it doesn't move. And that's all there is to it. That just made it. So cut the scrap. Let's see how many. It was 29 pieces of beads. So now you know. All right, let's put, and then we're going to write this on here. Do I have a black one? Yes, I do. This way we don't forget. And that part's done for now. And then we're going to put a little dangly bit. And I need a extremely small, the smallest little jump ring that I can find. Ooh, I see one. Is it the right kind? I think you guys know I made the mistake of buying. That one's too big. I want it to be this small. But that is, like a key ring loopy thing, and I put them in with them. Bad move. That's about the smallest we're going to get, I think. I'm going to keep looking just for a second. Ooh, here's one that's tiny and it's gold. Oh, that's gold. I don't have gold. All right, hang on. See, like those tiny little ones are like that. What was I thinking? So now they're all intertwined and it's hard to see which ones are the ones you need. Well, I would love to have one as itty bitty as that one, but it's, look at that. That's too small, I bet. That's way too small. It's cute. Come on. Oh, I see some stuff down here. It's just easier for me to just pop them in my hand. Ooh. There we go. Found one. Yay. All right, now we're going to get a pair of scissors. I think I have one in here still. Let's see if I can find them. Let's get the lid back on this E6000, which is actually called E7000 here because it's from another country. Just so you know. What country that is, I don't know. All right, let's see. Which pair of scissors do we want? We got those. Do we have any other ones? An iron. A needle. I'm sure I haven't used all the scissors up. There we go. Oh, those are cute. We'll use those. Those might be the same ones I used on the other one. Okay. Oh my goodness. That's heavy. All right, now all we have to do is just put this cutie on here. And then I think what I'm going to do is get a bulb pin. And where do we want this? Do we want it hanging down here or do we want it up here? I kind of like the idea of it hanging down the middle. Will it fit through that little tiny hole? It does. Oh, yes. That'd be cute. Yes, look at that. Cut the scrap. That worked out. That plan just came right together, didn't it? I didn't have a plan. I'm just going to tell you. All right, I punched a little hole in there. We're going to put the jump rings away, and we're going to grab a bulb pin. Just so I can keep them together. We'll use a black one. Hopefully I didn't put this too far. There, I want it like that, but let's fit up here like that. Look at how cute that is. This would be such a cute gift. See? There we go. There you have it. I should make some of these for the Makers Market. Maybe not all with the round pieces, but there we got. The rules are there are no rules, the traveling crafter, and cut the scrap. So there you have it. Just an idea. If you've got beads laying around, you don't need to go out and buy anything special. I did buy a kit because I wanted the kids and I were going to do this. So I thought it would be fun to have these little cards, but you don't need to do that. You can make your own. And it's easy as 1, 2, 3. A great little plan if you're sitting by the TV and want to do something kind of fun and a little bit of different. I hope you enjoyed that, friends. And until next time, remember to take time to just be, if you haven't taken a chance to hit the subscribe button, please do so. I appreciate it. And leave a comment. What words do you want me to create on these next? We'll see you soon. Cheers.